Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more remote work from home job leads for you. Today's video, I have 5 different job leads from 5 different companies. They're all non-phone based because I know a lot of you don't like talking on the phone, but if you don't mind customer service, let me know in the comments down below. I've been thinking about doing one of these longer videos that have lots of customer service jobs in them. So if you'd like to see something like that, please let me know. But with that being said, we are going to dive on in. The links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do ask that if you find any of these job leads helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button because that does give me direct feedback that I'm being helpful. And if you think that you know someone that would enjoy any of these, please share this video with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life with that great work-life balance. First up, we have the company US Acute Care Solutions. So when you think acute care, you probably think of healthcare. This is going to be a healthcare company. They have 203 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor, and they do have an employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They're hiring an electronic records project analyst. So this is going to be like electronic medical records. But they're basically looking for somebody to help assist in developing, maintaining, and overseeing the testing and progression of their digital chart or medical records, automation and implementation of new sites. So you'll be researching and analyzing data entry fields for assignment for the appropriate hospital team member for resolution. You're going to assist the manager regarding the system issues and concerns by conducting research, testing, and providing any feedback and input to coding and electronic records departments. You'll process charts upon go live to identify and resolve issues prior to the transition to the electronic records staff. You'll research items, identify trends, review documentation or any other items, and you'll track and report any issues with the automation that you see. You'll also have to help maintain knowledge or current SOPs. So that's like the knowledge database, FAQ documents, things like that. Now, they are not going to require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and they do want somebody who has 12 months or 1 year experience with OnBase or some kind of e-discoverable environment like that. Somebody who has a great knowledge of personal computers working with Windows systems, knowledge of electronic health records or medical record systems. Of course, you have to have great communication skills and be able to communicate in a professional manner, be a problem solver, and have great attention to detail. Now, pay for this position is going to be dependent on location and experience, but goes anywhere from $16.33 an hour all the way up to $27.22 an hour. Now, next up, we have the well-known grocery delivery system, Instacart. They are hiring an executive assistant. Now, this is going to be remote work from home in the United States. One thing I want to preface real quickly about this job, if it's this job or other jobs, executive assistants make a lot of money. It is a job that is non-phone based, but can be into the 6-figure range because all of those top executives of big companies need somebody to keep them organized. They need that right-hand man to handle their meetings and their calendars and their schedules and book planes and stuff for them for their travel, and they do seem to pay them very, very well for that. But that is what Instacart is hiring someone to do. The executive assistant team is a collaborative group of professionals who are the backbone of their big leadership. You'll be managing all the business-related administrative support, so doing scheduling on the calendar, travel, expense reports for the leaders. You'll act as the gatekeeper for the executives, understanding their business needs and fielding any inquiries from them. You're going to plan, coordinate, and improve organization-wide events and engagement activities. You'll model compliance with company policies and procedures, and you'll provide the support for business solutions. So this will require you to have to think creatively and reduce company spending. Now, they want somebody who has 5 years of some kind of executive assistant experience, someone who can build relationships, work flexible hours, have great communication skills with great attention to detail, be a problem solver, thinking outside of the box, and the ability to achieve results under tight deadlines. So, you've got to be able to handle stressful situations, but no college degree is required. Now, pay for this position, again, you are the right hand man to those big people making the big bucks. So they're paying, of course, it depends on your state that you are located in, but they are paying anywhere from $108,000 on the low end all the way up to $145,000 on the high end. Moving right along, we have the company West. They are hiring a billing representative to work from home in the United States. Now, the billing representative is going to be responsible for performing all the billing functions, ensuring that they are completed in a timely and accurate manner. Candidates with any NetSuite software experience will be highly considered. So if you've got NetSuite software experience, make sure that is on your resume. It will get you to the top of the line in the interview. But they're basically looking for somebody to make account adjustments, write-offs, and billing corrections as directed by management. Of course, you'll have to do some research and analysis to provide resolution to any billing discrepancies and issues that come up. You'll maintain product code price sheets and client files in an organized manner, and you'll review all manual invoices, making sure they're accurate and they adhere to department policies. You'll post invoice batches in the accounts receivable system. You'll prepare and mail, fax, or email any invoices, making allowances for any special billing request by the client. You'll be entering new clients and deleting clients from the database, updating the client database as necessary so it's correct for invoicing and billing. And you'll maintain billing screens for all products, update weekly sales, revision dates, and deletion dates. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, a high school diploma or GED, and of course, they prefer any post-secondary work in some kind of a financial field, but it's not required. They do want somebody who has a minimum of 1 year experience in some kind of billing, finance, or accounting environment. And again, if you have that certain software experience, that'll get you to the top of the line. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. It does state they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, life insurance, 401k, and paid time off. If you haven't hit that like button yet and you're still with me in this point of the video, give this video a thumbs up like button, letting me know that you're still here and enjoying these non-phone work from home job leads. But moving right along, we have the company LivaNova. Now, LivaNova has 300 reviews on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a verification specialist. So basically, you'll be responsible for gathering and coordinating the information regarding patient benefits, prior authorizations, and predetermination. So basically, verifying data. You'll handle the receipt and data entry of all coming faxes, including PIQs and IVEAs and patient medical records in a timely manner. You'll create new opportunities in the SLX as needed when those different forms come in. You'll perform self-assessments for all activities to ensure accuracy. You'll be verifying the completeness of incoming insurance verification forms and completing those verification forms on behalf of the healthcare provider or doctor within 48 to 72 hour turnaround period. So basic data entry, looking over the forms, making sure all the information is correct, and gathering information from different sources if needed. No college degree is required, just a high school diploma or GED, great organizational skills, great attention to detail. Again, they want you to be familiar with Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook for email. We talk about this a lot in my other job lead videos. This is pretty standard across the board in many corporate jobs, but most of the time in healthcare positions, this is going to be a requirement. You have to have great communication skills and some kind of a knowledge of health insurance industry. And last but not least, we have the company Wachsman. Now, Wachsman does not have very many reviews on Glassdoor, only 64 reviews, but they do come highly rated from the current and past employees that have reviewed them with a score of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a remote work from home community moderator. Now, it does say this is open to candidates located anywhere in the United States. They don't have any state restrictions, but they're looking for somebody to oversee and implement a range of community moderator duties. This includes setting up botch channels and infrastructure on their Telegram and Discord accounts. You'll respond to questions coming through different social online accounts with clear, concise, and engaging voice. You'll resolve any technical issues that they have as well, engaging with those community members through questions, polls, compelling news, contests, campaigns, a variety of different methods. You're basically going to be helping build the community and help amplify their Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok campaigns in Discord and Telegram. You might also do some in-depth research on new and existing clients, having a deep understanding of their work, and communicate in the broad and niche audiences. You'll strategize with social media and marketing teams to help with client satisfaction. Now, again, no degree is needed. 3 years experience in some kind of online chat room moderation is required. 3 years of customer service experience. Somebody who has great communication skills, specifically in the English skills, strong grammar and editing skills, social media strategy, great organizational skills, and they want somebody who is a people person. Unfortunately, pay for this position was not listed and will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. If you've made it to the end of this video, I know I can get long-winded sometimes. Thank you so much for hanging tight with me. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget, you can leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Also, let me know in the comments if you do like customer service positions or if you prefer these non-phone positions. And I'll be back really soon with another video with more work from home job leads just for you.